Hi, what's up, soulmates, and welcome back once again to the channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a structured detail like the one you can see me holding. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, just go ahead and subscribe, like this video at the end so that more people get to see it, and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Okay, and if you've already subscribed to this channel, I appreciate you a lot. Thank you for supporting me. All right, so now I have these straps on the table. Okay, and I have the long and the short one. This one here, I have it at 25 inches. Okay, can you see? So I'll be using this as my longest strap. So the number of straps you are going to get totally depends on you, so you can make it as many as you want. And I have a smaller strap here at 16 inches. Okay, so if you want to place this like 3 of it, maybe the next one you are going to do should be smaller than 16, or you can make it higher than 25 inches, so you can have something like 30 inches. All right, so the number of structured detail totally depends on you. So now I have gone ahead to sew this 1/2 inch so that I'll be able to insert my region boning inside the straps. Okay, so as you can see, I have them here, 4 of them, and what I'm going to do now is to insert my region boning inside of it. So this is what I'm doing right now. So while inserting your region boning, okay, you are going to leave a space of 1/2 inch at the bottom and at the top of your strap, or you can also leave 1 inch if you want, so that it will give you a room for you to tack these straps together at the time you need to design it the way you want. Okay, so make sure you leave a space. So now I'm done inserting into my smaller straps. I'm just inserting a region boning into the 25 inches long straps. Okay, so as I was inserting, I ran short of region boning, and I just have to use this white one, which nobody can even see the color which you use. Okay, so you can make use of whichever one you want, and I wouldn't advise you to use a plastic boning. I think this region boning is the best. All right, so this is me just sampling it. Okay, can you see, assembling it together to get that look of the structured detail. All right, so now I'm tacking it with my needle and thread. I'm using a very long needle for this, okay, and a bold one at that. So I'm just tackling them together to keep them in place. So once you are done tackling, you have to cut off the excesses. As you can see me doing, go ahead and cut off the excess you have. So this is the second structured detail. I'm going to align this, so you have to shape this very well. As you can see me doing, checking my 2 sides to see if the allowance I left for it is actually there. So I'm going to place the second to this very one, and I'll attach. So guys, once you're done attaching your first and second structured detail, you are going to assemble this the way you want. Okay, as you can see me, you can attach it at the top there just to keep that in place, to keep your structure in place. So this is me attaching or tacking the 2 structured detail together. So this is one way you can do it. Okay, but this can be difficult. I'm going to show you another way whereby you can easily achieve this. Okay, so as you do this, you tighten up your thread, okay, so that your detail will not lose. All right, so can you see it's getting more difficult to pass my needle through it. So I'm just going to show you an easier way to achieve this. Okay, so I'm done tackling the first one. Okay, but right now I'm going to be showing you another way you can do this. So you can hold your structured detail in place like this, and you use your tray to roll it over your structured detail like you see me doing. This is the easiest way you can do this. Okay, so after rolling it over, you are going to tighten it up. This will give you an immediate shape. No time wasting, guys, no time wasting with this particular pattern. All right, and it's less stressful. Like, it doesn't even stress. This method won't stress you. So if you have much bonings together, okay, just use this particular method, and at the end tighten it up. So guys, if you want, you can use your heel gum to do some finishings. Okay, you just place it one or two places to gum your fabric together. With this, guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and thanks for watching.